Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with a Cap. Today we will study Chapter 4 Bus from Art and Activity Skill Book. From Art and Activity Skill Book. Take out your white and green color book. Take out your white and green color book. Now tell me, what is bus? What is this? This is bus. Have you traveled in bus? Have you traveled in bus? I have traveled in bus so many times. You go to school by bus. You go to school by bus. I am right? Yes. Now, complete the bus with colors as shown. Now tell me, what is this? This is traffic light. This is traffic light. Start doing color in traffic light. Take out your crayons. Take out your crayons fast. Take out your pink color crayons. Take out your pink color crayons. I don't have pink color crayons. That's why I am doing this color. Okay? You take out your pink color but. Start doing with me. Take out your pink color and start doing with me. Now, tell me this symbol have different. This symbol have different things to do. First is red light. Red light means to stop. Red light means to stop. Red light means to stop. Color it fast. Color it fast. Now take out your yellow color. Yellow light means ready to go. Yellow light means ready to go. And green light means go. Green light means go. Complete it fast. Take out your colors and do it fast. Now, take blue color and start doing blue color. And start doing blue color with me. Like this. Up and down, up and down. Do it neatly, okay? Do it neatly and fill the gaps. And fill the gaps. Fill the gaps. Now, take out your pink color again and start doing. All of you have doing now? All of you are doing very good. Now we have to do orange color. We have to do orange color. Take out yours, orange color, and start doing with me. Yay! Start doing with me. All of you have enjoyed? All of you are enjoying? All of you are enjoying? Ma'am can't hear. All of you are enjoying or not? Yeah, now I am here. Do it fast. Do it fast. Do it fast. Now, take out your yellow color. Take out your yellow color. These are tires. What are these? These are bus tires. Do it slowly and neatly. Slowly and neatly. Slowly and neatly. I don't have brown color. You will take your brown color and I am taking black color. Okay? You will take your brown color. I don't have brown color, na? That's why I am using black color. Now, next color is, fill this yellow color also. Next color is purple, brown, black. First, we will start from this. Take out your brown color. I am having black color, but you will take your brown color. Do it. Yellow color. Now next is green. And again, you take your pink color. I don't have pink color. That's why I'm taking black color. Okay? I hope you all are enjoying. Complete it fast. These two are in homework. Okay? I hope you all are enjoy this. Happy learning. See you soon in the next class. Bye-bye.